Welcome back to Painting with Paper and Introduction Video 6. Today we will explore how to finish your painting without overdoing it. Let me tell you the secret right now. It's done when you feel it's done, when you are happy with it. But if you're still not sure how to finish it, let me give you a few guidelines on how to finish your painting. I will also discuss whether or not you should seal your painting. Finishing your piece doesn't mean pushing yourself or stressing yourself to have a perfect finished project that others will like. It simply means stopping when you are ready. If you don't love your painting, you're not done. Last time we discussed how to work through the messy middle and when to start thinking about composition. Finishing your painting is all about choices. Number 1, decide what your intention is with your painting. Should it be an abstract, a still life, landscape, seascape, floral or something else? Number 2, how do you want to proceed? Will you add paper as detail or are you going to paint or draw details? Number 3, where will your focal point be? Once you made these decisions, you can add a few small accents with paint or paper, paint pens, color pencils, a white gel pen, stamps or stencils, or any other medium you prefer. Do not fall in the trap to make too many marks or add too much to your painting. If needed, add more contrast, adjust the values of colors, and if you enjoy to doodle, you can add dots, swirls, or outlines. Like always, you do not have to finish it all in one go. Make sure to listen to your body and your energy levels. Let this final process bring you joy and peace. Knowing when to stop working on a painting is a difficult process for most artists. There are several signals that can help you determine when your painting is finished. Number 1, the most important one is when you feel you are done. Number 2, when adding more to your painting is making it worse instead of better. Number 3, when your subject is recognizable. Number 4, when the painting makes the statement that you intend. Other things you can do is to ask a trusted outsider their opinion. Take photos of your painting at different stages. Looking at your image on a phone or a computer can give you a new way of seeing your work. Take a break. It can be hard to see a painting objectively after working on it for a long time. Taking a break can let you look at your painting with fresh eyes to help you see if you have anything left to do. If your art feels complete to you, it usually is. Sealing your work is a personal choice and not a requirement. It depends on how it will be handled or displayed going on. When using certain mediums like pastels or charcoal, you might want to use a fixative to prevent it from smearing. The adhesive you use to add your painted papers can be used as a top layer over your paper painting. There are a variety of mediums or varnishes you can use. You get spray-on and paint-on varnishes, and they come in gloss, satin and matte varieties. If you prefer, you can brush or spray on a varnish over your work. If you do not like brush marks, use a spray varnish. If, for instance, your painting is too glossy, use a matte or satin varnish or sealant. If you like a glossy look, paint a layer of gloss medium or gloss varnish as a top layer. Thank you for joining today where I showed you how to finish your collage with pride, peace and confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. And if you have any questions about today's video or any in the series, please leave it in the comments as well. Finishing your painting is about choices and following the intent you have for your painting. It's not about perfection. We are a lot of the time our own worst critics. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on what is coming next. The next video will be the final in this series. We will explore bonus tips, reflections and celebrate your creations. If you haven't yet, make sure to watch the earlier videos in this series. See you next time. Goodbye.